Hello and welcome. In this geometry lesson, we are going to explore the surface area of a sphere. We will understand exactly what it is and learn the formula to calculate it. First, let's define our object. A sphere is a perfectly round, three-dimensional object. Think of a basketball, a planet, or a soap bubble. Mathematically, it is defined as the set of all points that are exactly the same distance from a single center point. The most critical measurement for a sphere is the radius, denoted by the letter r. This is the straight line distance from the very center of the sphere to any point on its outer edge. Knowing the radius is the only thing you need to find the surface area. Here is the formula for the surface area, which we call A. Area equals 4 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius squared. It is a very elegant and simple formula. Let's look at the symbol pi. Pi is a mathematical constant, approximately 3.14159. It relates the curve of the circle to its straight diameter. In our formula, pi helps us calculate the curved surface area using the straight radius. Here is a great way to visualize this. The surface area of one sphere is exactly equal to the area of 4 flat circles that have the same radius. So if you peeled a sphere perfectly, it would cover exactly 4 circles. Why is it 4? The ancient mathematician Archimedes proved this. He showed that if you place a sphere inside a cylinder, the sphere's surface area is exactly the same as the curved side of the cylinder. This mathematical relationship results in the factor of 4. Let's try a calculation. Suppose we have a sphere with a radius of 3 centimeters. First, we square the radius, so 3 times 3 gives us 9. Then we multiply by 4 to get 36. Finally, 36 times pi gives us approximately 113.04 square centimeters. Why is this useful? Engineers use this formula to calculate materials. For example, determining how much leather is needed to stitch a ball, how much glass is needed for a round dome in architecture, or for astronomers studying the surface of planets. To summarize, remember the formula, 4 pi r squared. Just find your radius, square it, multiply by pi, and then multiply by 4. That will give you the total exterior surface area of any sphere.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.